Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming the essentials quickly. Open Lightroom Mobile and sign in, then make a duplicate of the photo so you never alter the original. Once done, enable camera and storage permissions if prompted so Generative tools can access the image. Make sure sync is on for Creative Cloud backups. Now tap the photo to enter edit mode and choose the crop and healing panels to assess where AI generative edits will be applied next. You'll now use the Generative tools to make the change. Tap Generative Edit or Healing, then draw a mask or lasso around the area you want to replace. Alternatively, type a short prompt describing the desired content. As you work, try short prompts first, then refine with style or color notes. Once the model returns variants, preview each, adjust strength and color blend sliders, and toggle between soft and hard edges, so the new content integrates naturally with lighting and perspective. Finish by refining blend and overall color so the generative result reads as part of the scene. Use local adjustments, temperature, and color grading to harmonize highlights and shadows. Once satisfied, export at the needed resolution and format, include metadata and sync or backup. If you see artifacts or odd edges, undo the generative step, refine the mask shape, or simplify your prompt and try again. Small, precise masks and short prompts usually.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.